We can go to a different world. We can go to a different world. We can go to a different world.
So, hi stream. Um, Bumili tayo ng mga parts for our computer and some of the parts is naka-assemble na before and mga bago lang is yung PSU, GPU, PC case and almost ganyan lang yung bago natin. Yung fans is a bit earlier than our mga bagong bili natin. So, let's check our before and after. Tsaka bear with me lang first video vlogging ko about this and sana magustuhan nyo. Alright, let's get it. Hello, so try natin open tong parcel natin galing sa Sagota. Ito yung PSU nila na power supply na 750 watts gold. So tara, open natin.
How could you be so bad and be so wild? Honestly, the reason why I'm calling on your line, checking on your IG when you go live. You keep me up like coffee all night. Put it in park, Playboy days, yeah, I put it in park. You're a smart lady cause you playing your part. We were nobody, now we up to par. Now we up to tell me, where do I start? We didn't see nothing at the time we start. Now I see the light at the end of the spark. The bottles come with light when they come to my spot. Keep me up, girl, keep me up. Don't keep me waiting, give me love. What I was looking for, smell like a coffee store. Girl, you are. Girl, you feel like coffee and sunshine. Holding on your body till the morning time. And I just love your vibe, you take me high. It feels so right. How could you be so bad and be so wild? Honestly, the reason why I'm calling on your line, checking on your IG when you go live. You keep me up like coffee all night. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh, oh. Keep me up like coffee all night. Come over here, come feel like Sub-Zero, make you come over here. Send me a text when you're almost there. Got some ideas, we can link on my chair, on my sofa. I like your smile by design. Love it when
And hello, welcome back. So, yung bago namin bubuksan yung case. Ito, ano siya, tempered, so hindi ako sure kung tempered case siya. Dual chamber. So, tignan natin kung anong kalabasan nito. And we have it. Masok pa. Lalaki.
And I just love your vibe, you take me high, it feels so right. How could you be so bad and be so wild? Honestly, the reason why I'm calling on your line, checking on your IG when you go live. Keep me up like coffee all night. Girl, you feel like coffee and sunshine. Holding on your body till the morning time. And I just love your vibe. You take me high. It feels so
So dito pinag-aaralan natin kung paano i-set up yung PC and always talaga i-check yung manual before you start the process. Sa next video, makita nyo lang na ina-assemble na natin kasi di ko na videohan yung pag-disassemble natin sa lumang PC.
we were nobody, now we up to par. Now we up to tell me, where do I start? We didn't see nothing at the time we start. Now I see the light at the end of the spark. The bottles come with light when they come to my spot. Keep me up, girl, keep me up. Don't keep me waiting, give me love. What I was looking for, smell like a coffee store. Girl, you are. Girl, you feel like coffee and sunshine. Holding on your body till the morning time. And I just love your vibe, you take me high. It feels so right. How could you be so bad and be so wild? Honestly, the reason why I'm calling on your line, checking on your IG when you go live. You keep me up like coffee all night. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 Sub-Zero, make you come over here. Send me a text when you're almost there. Got some
Let's try to
ideas we can
see
link
kung
on my
pinalabasan
channel.
ng setup natin.
I like your smile by design. Love it when you're present, but I hate when you're distant. Yeah.
Sa video na to, di pa upgraded yung GPU. So for the following days pa dumating, and tinransfer din natin yung M.2 kaya nag-light up yung boot LED.
Girl, you feel like coffee and sunshine. Holding on your body till the morning time. And I just love your vibe. You take me high. It feels so right. How could you be so bad, so
Hello, so let's try to open na yung yung dumating na graphics card. Ano naman na ito. So shout out kay Sir Benji Crabajales at sa PC Dream Computer Trading for the fast transaction. Kasi limited lang edition tong yung GPU natin, buti na lang meron sila. And located sila pala sa sa Mandaue City, tsaka may Facebook page din sila, so check them out. I'll put them in the description. Before and after.
I just wanna